Smart Switches Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global smart switches market size will be $751.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 9.7% from 2024 to 2031. North America smart switches market size of $300.60 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.9% from 2024 to 2031. Europe smart switches market size of $225.45 million. Asia Pacific smart switches market size of $172.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America smart switches market size of $37.58 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.1% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa smart switches market size of $15.03 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.4% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.